Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you guys here today. Check it out. We are up 2.14% for the day. Not too shabby. Now, it started off really, really nice. I mean, today we can take a look here at our price from where we're sitting now to where we were before. It was up 5 more percent. So it was a total of 7% rise on the day. Unfortunately, rejecting up here at our 4-hour supply and demand zone that we talked about yesterday. We're going to jump into the charts here, but first and foremost, we have some really great articles that I wanted to cover for you guys today in today's video. We're going to go over this here. Ethereum adds almost 90,000 new unique addresses daily since the merge went live. So finally, some really positive news for Ethereum. Obviously, the big hype that it was going to take off in price and all that. Well, the markets had other ideas in mind, and unfortunately the markets run the market, so that's what happened. Very exciting about what's potentially going to be happening for Ethereum, so we're going to cover that. Also, XRP army, check this out. XRP at $3.80, huge price milestone envisioned if Ripple wins the SEC case, but there is a catch, and we're going to cover that in today's video. So, hey, if you're new here, my name is Ryan Huggins, and I'm a crypto and real estate investor here in Orange County, California. And my job is to help be your crypto shortcut, because if you're like most people, you don't have the opportunity to spend hours a day reading through articles, staring at the charts. You got other things to do. Well, that's what we do here on this channel. So if you would like a crypto shortcut, smash that subscribe button. We're here to help you. So here it is, the Ethereum information. The historic merge upgrade on Ethereum network is yet to trigger that substantial price rally for the second-ranked cryptocurrency by market cap. However, the bullish environment created by the upgrade appears to be part of the catalyst driving users to the platform. So the price didn't explode, but people are coming in droves. In particular, since the merge upgrade on September 15th, Ethereum has managed to add about 86,000 unique addresses daily. During the upgrade, the addresses stood at 205 million, while on October 14th, the figure stood at 208 million, according to data retrieved by Finvold from Etherscan. So we'll take a look now at the actual graph. Ethereum unique addresses chart here, sourced from etherscan.io. You can see where the prices start, or not prices, the wallets started here, slowly inclining. I mean, when you're talking 200 million, the incline looks, I mean, like you might be looking at that, like there is no incline. And that is just from the early September until where we're at in today. So just those short period, boom, the price has continued to rise, or the wallet numbers have continued to rise. Generally, the new unique addresses indicate that more people are showing interest in Ethereum as they attempt to explore the network that continues to record growth in use cases like decentralized finance, or DeFi. Notably, the merge upgrade that transitioned Ethereum to proof of stake, they got a little typo there, protocol has the potential to make Ethereum a deflationary asset. And we just covered that really extensively in yesterday's video, actually. And the ability to act as a store of value is interesting to most investors, especially in the current macroeconomic environment characterized by skyrocketing inflation and interest rate hikes. It is worth noting that the unique addresses are among Ethereum's metrics to record positive gains after the merge. Notably, a Finbold report on October 10th indicated that Ethereum experienced a rise in new addresses on October 8th, with 135,000 new addresses joining the network. The figure was the highest since December 7th, 2021. So people are, even though the price hasn't crazy gone up yet, which we actually had a nice little pump recently in Ethereum, but people are getting more and more interested in Ethereum because it does hold some amazing possibilities in the future. Now, as the wallet activity has increased, at the same time, Ethereum's social activity has declined after the upgrade, recording 8.46 million social mentions and 24.07 billion social engagements as of October 6th. So remember, lots and lots and lots of people were pumping the crap out of Ethereum before the merge. They thought it was going to be the biggest thing since sliced bread. But you know what happens? Although there was a projection that the upgrade would inspire an instant rally in Ethereum and the general crypto market, so far it has turned out to be a buy the rumor, sell the news event. And that is what always happens in the markets, crypto, stocks, so on and so forth. Overall, the Ethereum community is anticipating growth in the asset's utility and price. However, the price continues to be at the mercy of bulls and bears as they struggle to take charge. By press time, ETH was valued at 1,300. Let's check that right now. So yes, as all cryptos did yesterday, the crazy whipsaw effect as well down. And then today, the crazy whipsaw effect to the upside. So Ethereum on the daily charts did rush up and bump into the 21 exponential moving average. Then it gave way to the downward movement. So right now it is up 1.15%, sitting at $1,301. RSI is in a bearish situation. However, it's trying to pump itself up into a more positive territory. Right now, the RSI is sitting at 37. All right, in the moment you've been waiting for, XRP at $3.80. Huge price milestone envisioned if Ripple wins the SEC case, but there's a catch. Global fintech firm Finder has released a new price prediction for Ripple's XRP based on its periodic survey by industry experts, and the bulls are rubbing their hands with glee. So are you excited too? Because I definitely am. The prediction released on October 11th suggests a gradual price growth of XRP within the coming year to hit $3.81 by 2025, rising over 600%. Currently, XRP is valued at 50 cents after an outstanding performance in September. It was really fun and exciting to watch the bags continue to grow, that huge explosion in September, and we'll jump into those charts here in just a minute. The panelists predict that the price could go as high as 90 cents, suggesting a bull run by December. The forecasted rise in the price of XRP will be affected by a loss against the Securities and Exchange Commission, making the price struggle in the coming years. In April, the panel predicted the price could surge to $2.55 by December, a 64% increase compared to its recent prediction, and to trade at 68 cents if it loses the case with the SEC. According to the report, 27% of panelists appear to have more positive suggestions, and it's the right time to buy the asset. Others were not bullish, as 36% suggest a sale at this point. 38%, they're just going to keep on holding. The case with the SEC is the deciding factor for most panelists, as 48% think the price of XRP will trade below 50 cents. Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse said that the company would expand to another jurisdiction if it loses against the SEC, but 26% feel that it is unlikely to happen. However, 43% of panelists feel that Ripple will leave the jurisdiction, just as Garlinghouse hinted, with 31% unsure. The Finders panelists included 55 industry experts from fintech firms, mining corporations, digital asset exchanges, and universities. Craig Cobb, the managing director for Trader Cobb, joined the bandwagon of optimistic panelists, suggesting the price should be above $1 by December. He says the crypto market loves to jump on a bandwagon, and XRP winning the case in a bear market would likely see herd mentality, which will pump the price in this old school top 10 coin. And I completely feel the same way. Now, obviously, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this information is financial advice. Do not buy or sell anything. We could talk about it on this channel. Just financial entertainment and financial education. Mitesh Shah, the founder of Omnia Markets, is at the other end of the spectrum, highlighting that with XRP's price will not double even though it wins the SEC case. And he said, as global traders capitulate their investments, controversial coins such as XRP will be negatively impacted due to the ongoing SEC lawsuit. U.S. investors cannot invest in XRP until the suit has been settled, and the uncertainty may push global investors to sell. Tommy Honan from SwiftX believes that the current market trends will determine the price of XRP as the industry awaits the case's conclusion. And he said the market generally prices these events well ahead of the time, so we are likely to see increased price volatility when the outcome seems close. So let me know down below, what do you think? What is your opinion on XRP? Is XRP going to $3.80? Is XRP going to 50 cents? Is it going to 25 cents? Leave me down in the comments what you think. Is it going to 240 a coin? Some of you guys think that too. Let me know what you think down below. Now let's jump into those XRP charts. All right, so here we are, XRP on the daily charts. And as we take a look here, again, like I said, yesterday had that crazy swing low with the bulls battle back. Today had the crazy push up with the bears battle back. We are still looking to break back up to that 55 cent overhead resistance level for XRP. That's the most important level to break, because once we break that 50-cent level, we can then go to 65 cents and then 77 cents. Those are the stair steps that we're trying to make to the upside. Now, as we talk about this exact moment where we're at price and time on the 4-hour charts, give us a more realistic price swing up and down what's going on. So in our Heikin-Ashi candles here, we are very bearish. We've got 2 consecutive bearish candles with the potential stop point of that 4-hour candle right here. So it's not very far away, actually. Let me get this out of the way. So boom, there's this candle here, 47 cents, 47 cents, and the bottom of that candle is all the way to 44 cents. But as you'll see here on the 4-hour charts, look what's coming into play, that 1100 moving average that has been like a magnet to price. Same thing happened on the daily. It ran all the way up just to that level there. Boom, boom, bounced it, hit it again, came back down to it. So which way are we breaking? We're breaking up or down? Well, if we're looking here on the 4-hour charts, it is likely that we're coming to the downside to reconnect with that area of price, 45 cents. So what you're starting to notice that the 10-cent levels on XRP is where a lot of playing is happening, 45 cent, 55 cent, and so on. Right now on the 4-hour RSI, we're looking like a potential bearish cross here over the market baseline, this yellow line. And then also as we take a look here on the daily, we are looking at a very, very bearish candle or bearish scenario here. Price continued to increase, RSI continued to drop. That is a bearish divergence. And we'll see what happens. Right now, we are bouncing off the 21 exponential moving average on the daily, still holding as support, which is nice. If we lose that support, we could be dropping down here to this 43-cent level and also colliding with this 50 exponential moving average. Let's go ahead and clear all of the charts, and let's look at a really, really small time frame here. Let's get this out of the way and this out of the way. So right now on this 1-hour time frame, what you'll notice, price is starting to try to get close to this 1100 exponential moving average here. We are on the RSI now flashed into a bearish scenario. However, we have now run into the volatility band, which is, so there's a really crazy situation happening right now, right? Price is looking bearish, bearish divergence, bearish cross of the market baseline. But right now we're about to run into the volatility bands where usually you would get a bounce to the upside. We're also bouncing off of the 50 exponential moving average on the 1-hour chart. So it is crazy what's going on. If we take a look at the hourly charts, boom, this one right here, and we do color this in blue. So this is going to be blue. That right there is our support level on the 1 hour. And then to the upside, we would look at the very last